about a decade ago, our kids were going through the public school system and they were teaching them zero technology, like absolutely zero. And then we started to bring it into the school board and we were shut down. And we tried to bring it at the ministry level and we kept getting shut down. So what we
Hmm.
realized is that the school systems were designed to create employees. And that's fine. And it served us very well for the last, 100 years or so, or 150 years, or, you know, 200 years. Problem is, as we go into this intelligence age, as we go into the age of AI, robotics, automation, really taking over everything that we're doing, that the education system's not going to be able to change in time for this. We wanted to build something new. We realized that you can't fix a system that doesn't want to be fixed. And so
What I
what
thought was most interesting, so there's a sort of been this big transition with the importance of school. I'd say even the last 5 years, really COVID triggered this sort of questioning here in Florida where people are questioning like, well, what is the value of this where it wasn't really
Well, Sanjay, the
questioned?
other thing is, what is the value? There used to be, if you had a university degree, you got paid 30% more than somebody who didn't have a university degree. And that was standard. And also the standard contract that we had with the world was that your children generally did better than you did, right? So, the generation behind you always did a little bit better than you. And it was this progressive thing. And then the costs of university skyrocketed,
Yeah.
thousands of percent, whereas the cost of living stayed the same, went up by 3%. And so did the education get better?
Run your day with runday.ai.